Now let's see how we solve problem J1 in Python. So first let's process the input. We have 6 lines, so we need 6 variables to save the input numbers. Let's say for apples pound 3 score, we name it as a AP3 and read the number in the first line. And we have AP2 and read the number from the second line, and we have AP1 and that's the number from the third line. And then we have BP3, that's the pound 3 score for bananas, and same, read them from each line, and we can copy this, and this is for pound 2 and this is for pound 1. And now we need to calculate the score. So A for apples, the pounds is AP3 multiplied by 3 plus AP2 multiplied by 2 plus P1 multiplied by 1. You don't have to multiply by 1, so you can just leave it as this, copy it, and let's calculate B pounds. So change all the A to B. So now we have the total score for apples and bananas, and now we need to do the output process. So we need to compare the pounds for A to the pounds for B. If A has a higher number, we give A as apples 1, and if not, then we need to compare if apple score is less than banana's score. If that's true, we give B. Otherwise, we know that apples has the same score as bananas, so we give it a T. So this is the program. We read in 3 lines for apples and 3 lines for bananas, and we calculate their score individually, and then we compare them. If A has a higher score, then we print A. If B has a higher score, we print B. If they equal, we print T. Okay, now let's test the program with the samples. So we have the first sample here. Let's run it. And we give the first, second, third, then 8, 9, 6, and then we print out B. So it's good for the first sample, and then we tried for the second sample. We give it a 7, 3, 0, 6, 4, 1, and we give a T. So this program is good for sample 2 or so. This is the right solution to problem G1.